Hello everyone, today we will have a look at how to make our data more presentable with just a few colors but also nice visuals. It will take just a few moments, but of course with the tutorial it will take longer time than it should because I'm explaining some stuff. On the screen you can see the output that we will be achieving just with knowing just few features of Excel. Right now we have a worksheet with just data, nothing special. We will put this in a table. Click on Insert on the table button and then click on OK. Right now you can see straight away Excel puts our data set in a table. It adds automatically the color blue in the rows, but you can adjust this right here on the top right side of your screen. It's very easy to change the color as you want. You can also click open the window to see more options. And what's nice is you get a live preview if you hover with your mouse. We will choose for the color black for now. If you want to change color of individual cells, you can select it and click on the fill button as shown on the screen. We already have a table that's visually more easier to read and also more appealing. Of course, this is subjective. Some people might prefer other colors. But now let's add some visuals. Click on Insert and then click on Sparklines on the line button as shown on the screen. We have to select a range of data. Let's select the data that we have in our table. And secondly, we have to select a range where we want to have our sparklines. You will see what it is right now. If you confirm by clicking OK, we get a mini visual, a mini chart of the data we have. This is perfect to just give an indicator. In this case, are the figures growing per month or do we have a negative growth? So it's a nice indicator. As you see on the screen, you have multiple settings. You can define the high points, low points. You can even choose the color. Feel free to play with the settings to adjust it to your needs. What's nice about Sparklines is that if data is changing, you will see that the visual is also changing. So it's a dynamic visual. Here I will show you how to make another type of a sparkline. You have also mini bar charts. As you can see here, you can click on columns. Then you basically get mini bar chart within a cell. In the same manner, we select the data range and then you can select the range where you want to have the mini visuals, in this case visual 2, and if you click OK, you get mini visuals within the cells again. And of course you can adjust the colors, the shapes, etc. Let's now add another row with data. We will add the total. As you can see, you can click on the Add the Sum button and then click and drag to apply the sum for every column, so for every month in this case, and you will see that the mini visuals are also being created for the totals. Let's now create a chart. You can go to Insert and then on Chart. I have chosen for a bar chart. Let's resize our bar chart so it fits our screen. You can do that easily by the connecting points. Let's remove the title so we can have a larger visual. Here you can change the theme of your chart with just a few clicks on Chart Design. Here you can define what is shown on your bar chart. I just want to have the totals, so I will remove every name of the salesperson and keep only total fields. You can do that by unchecking all the salespersons and just keep total checked in. This looks already much better. I just forgot to uncheck 2 salespersons. So we click again Chart Design, select Data, uncheck Salesperson, and now you can see the evolution of the total revenue over several months. So it is an interesting evolution chart and it fits the columns. And like the Sparklines, this chart is also adaptive with the data. So if the data changes, the chart will change as it should dynamically. Let's click and drag this and try to align every bar in the corresponding column of the month. There, that looks already much better. Let's zoom a bit out. And what's nice is if you insert a new column with a new month, you can see another zone is created for a new bar in the chart. So here I created July and August, and you can see the bar chart below is also creating the zones for these data. As you can see, just a few minutes and just applying few tips, you can make your data more visually appealing and also easier to analyze. I hope you learned something today. Please let me know in the comment what feature you didn't know yet and what you are using already. And please let me also know if you have any feedback or tips for me. Make sure to check out my page if you want to see more tutorials. I have a playlist on Excel, but I will also make other tutorials as well for other software. Please also leave a like if you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you soon. Take care.